guys, and welcome to the Heart of Unis Fact channel. Get ready to dive deep into exciting content where every click opens a door to new perspective. In this video, I'm gonna talking about most popular pets in the world. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest update. Enjoy the journey. Okay, we've reached the number 7 on our list, and as you guessed, yes, it's the bunnies. Bunny is widely kept as pets around the globe. If you are familiar with Bugs Bunny, you've already met an iconic bunny. Okay, I wanna explain it more about it. These beloved pets are known for their shyness, quiet demeanor, and impressive agility. They are often fond of vegetables, especially carrots. Okay, let's move on to 6 household companion. The sixth on the list of domesticated animals is iguana. Yes, you might not expect this, but I have to say that nowadays iguanas have found their place as a new and fascinating pet in many homes. While they might seem a bit intimidating at first glance, contrary to common belief, iguanas are gentle and docile animals with their unique and captivating appearance. They have become popular pets.
Run.
Iguanas are highly herbivorous animals and prefer to be exposed to sunlight. An important point about these animals is the specialized care and attention to their nutritional needs, which makes their management somewhat complex. Okay guys, let's move on to the next one. The fifth on the list is the guinea pig. In fact, this animal has no relation to pigs or hamsters, but they are more like hamsters, but quite different, lacking a tail. It can be considered one of the best pets for both adults and children. Guinea pigs love vegetables and easily coexist with humans. Is birds, another popular group of pets. Some of them produce cheerful sounds, adding pleasantness to the environment. Although they might not be ideal for apartment living due to potential noise. Most birds are intelligent animals and can learn many things from their owners. You can even teach them words for interactive communication. Okay, the third on our list is the delightful hamsters. Yes, with their small size, they easily entertain their owners. It's worth noting that hamsters are low maintenance, quiet pets, and they cannot live alone. They need a companion. Okay, the second one in our list is the ducks. Yes, as you expected, ducks are among the most common and popular pets worldwide, especially in America and Europe. These lovable animals are known for their instinctive loyalty and quickly form strong emotional bonds with their owners. It's worth mentioning that dogs are utilized in various roles, such as guarding and serving as guards. Those who show affection to dogs can easily establish a connection, shaping a friendship with these remarkable creatures. Okay, the first lovable pets in the world, cats. One notable aspect that has made cats beloved among people is their suitability for apartment living. These charming creatures don't require a large space for maintenance. It's worth noting that cats, compared to other pets, tend to sleep more, approximately 16 hours a day, making them a suitable choice for busy individuals who spend extended periods outside their home. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell for the latest update. Until next time, take care, goodbye.